Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this double stacked mitered box. It's mitered all the way around. It's mitered on the sides. There's also mitered on the top, so every joint is mitered, so you don't see any end grain at all. It's got an inlay of red gum and with a heaver strip around the internal. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that just pop? Great box. So I'm bubbling the red gum for the inlay in the top, and I'm putting it through the thicknesser. Cutting the miters for the box on the saw. And also doing the miter on the long grain for the top. You see, I've mitered on three sides. The top has to be mitered too. So I'm going to put the box together like normal. The lid's going to be, it's like a 5-piece lid that we make. And then I've got to miter it to fit inside the top miter. So every joint will be mitered. Guys, we're ready for the glue up. Okay, just putting in the bottom now and folding it all up like a piano accordion. Works well with the masking tape method. I've got the body of the box cramped up, so it's fairly high, and you can see how I've got it mitered all the way around. That's to take the 5-piece lid, which we will miter into it, so everything is flush, and then we'll round everything over, so it's very tactile after it's finished. Glue the two long sides first, rub them in. Coming out quite nice actually. Time to pull the box out of the cramps. See what we've got. And this is the top, which is going to be mitered onto the top of this. Just putting it through the sander now to sand it flat. And cutting the miter all the way around on the top. Okay guys, I've mitered the top. Now that will just drop straight in there, you see? Perfect miter all the way around. So now I will just glue that in there. And rounding over all the edges with the half round cutter and small router. And cutting off the lid. In the trays now with the redwood curved centre division, this can go up underneath the top. You see there's a 20mm gap there. We'll put the trays together now, and then we're almost done. Our material is being pressed onto some plywood for the bottoms, and all we're going to do is sand and polish, and then hinge after that. So we're almost there, guys. Just spraying the top now. Look at that red gum. Look at the colour of that. Just spraying the body of the box. Wow, doesn't that just pop? But I'll say everything pops. Hey guys, another one all finished. A 3-way mitered box. Every joint is mitered and it rounds it over, so it's got a very tactile feel to it, especially the corners. Very tactile. With this red gum centre and its heaver strip around, and it's made of Taz oak and with a red interior. A red interior with a redwood fin in the tray. It's a double stacked jewellery box. Another one that just pops. Damn, I've got too many boxes that pop. No, I haven't. Please subscribe and ring the bell. You know what to do. I'm running a new channel again. I'm looking for subscribers. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Cheers.